Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Thanks for joining us here at the 2022 Hershey RV Show. Today we are sharing with everyone the new 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2225RL travel trailer, which is a new floor plan for this year. The length of this RV is 25 feet and 5 inches with room to sleep 5 people. What sets this Mini apart from all the other floor plans is the rear living dinette. None of the other floor plans has this option. Other features include one slide out with an easy glide sofa and table, as well as a nice sized bathroom across from the kitchen. It has a 31-gallon freshwater tank, a 25-gallon gray tank, and a 25-gallon black tank. The GVWR of this unit is 6,000 pounds. The dry weight comes in at 4,664 pounds, and the dry hitch weight is 588 pounds. So you probably want an F-250 Super Duty or the equivalent size tow vehicle for this unit. You could get away with the next step down like an F-150, but then you're more likely to have an issue with your tow vehicle in the long run. To keep you cool in the summer, the unit comes equipped with a 13,500 BTU air condition, and to keep you warm in the cold months, there's an 18,000 BTU furnace. This RV also comes equipped with a 200-watt solar panel with 30-amp charge control monitor and a side-mount solar prep. Well, enough about the features and specifications of this RV. Let's get a closer look, starting with the outside here. So starting up front here, you have your LP tanks and your automatic jack. A little bit of storage here on the side. Goes the whole way across. I wouldn't call it a little bit, I would call it a lot of bit. And then you have a nice size awning with speakers outside here. You got your hot water heater, you got your city water hookups, power. And then coming around the side here, in the back you have the ladder. Nice spare tire, you got a hitch there. One slide. Couple more storage here, one there, and then the door for the other side of that big one up front. Here's your power hookup, your tanks down there, as well as an outdoor shower.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is Thousand Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The Thousand Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. Thousand Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
Alright, coming in the door here, we have the dinette set up here in the back. Very nice. Plenty of windows, so you'll have a nice view out the back here. You got some storage up above, all the way across. Then all the lights here are, you can just push the button on and they'll light up. Charge station, USB. Then this will drop down into a bed. Underneath here you have more storage underneath the seat. And we come over to the other section of the living room, I would call it. And here we have a couch. It does pull out into a bed. And then over here you have your entertainment center, swivel for your TV, all your hookups there, little storage up above for your JBL system. JBL is a good product. Coming over to the kitchen, oh wait a minute, there's a little bit more storage underneath here for whatever. Another charge station here, wireless charging. Then over to the kitchen area, we have a couple cabinets here. Plenty of pantry space, plenty. For something this size, your control center's at the top there for your slides, gas, electric, water tank, entry lights, awning lights. You have a couple hanging hooks there for coats, whatever, maybe a broom. And this is a very nice size fridge for a unit this small. Like, this is a nicer fridge than we had in our last RV. If we had this fridge, we might have held on to that RV a little bit longer. Nice size freezer in it too. And then over here we have the rest of the kitchen. There is no oven, but you got a 3-burner top stove here. Gas. And we have a small microwave up above it. Convection. Nice stainless steel sink. It's nice to have these, gives you more space, then more counter space. Then starting at the top, we got more cabinets for dishes. Very nice, very, very nice. Then underneath the stove here, we have your circuit board, your fuses. Underneath the kitchen sink, you have a lot of room. And 4 drawers over here as well. Pretty deep too. So that'll be good for silverware and whatever else you need to put in there. And that one just flips down, so that's not an actual drawer. Alright, now the bathroom. Got a nice stand-up shower in it. Don't have to worry about any wet baths in this rig. Well, it's not a glass one, but it'll work. And right over here we have the mirror and the sink. And a little storage underneath as well. Nice sized toilet. It is plastic. Outlet right next to it. So you can charge your phone while you're doing your business. One more spot for storage. And a towel rack. And you do got a skylight. And you gotta love having that fan. Now we're gonna step into the bedroom. Let's look down here first though. Looks like storage underneath the bed. You can use the pass-through to get to. So you can access it inside as well as outside. A couple cubby drawers here. Junk drawer. That'll probably become. A little bit of an end table there with an outlet. Then you have your closet space. One more down here. And they both have hanging rods for clothes. Then up above the bed, you have all this storage too. Whole way across. Then here's your bed. Nice full-size bed. And you do have a USB port back here. And I think that's it for this rig. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video. And if you found it helpful and you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone, and see you next time.